So for the second part of the tutorial, we're going to continue with our app, and this time we're going to create a flag in the middle of the app. So the flag will show up just there, and create two buttons that will show the two different countries that you need to choose from that would match the flag that you've created. So we want the flag to be clickable because we want the user to be able to click on the flag and change it, so they could do quiz after quiz. In order to do that, we need to create an object, but this time we're going to create an object that's a button, which means it's an object we can then click on. So on the top right, where you have your library, just here, we're going to click on that, and this time we're going to type in button. You have different buttons here, but we'll take the first one, and we're going to drag that into the middle of the page and enlarge it so that the box fills most of the middle of the page. Now, we want the flag to go right in the middle, and we instead of the text there, button. If you remember now, on the right of the screen are the attributes of your object. The button is our object, so the attributes are here up on the screen on the right side. You have different buttons, icons you could choose, but we want this one, the file inspector, the object inspector. So you click on this one there, and here you see you've got button. That's text that's going to appear in your button. Now you can put in text, which is an emoji. An emoji is a type of text that you can put into your app. So we're going to use that to put in a picture of a flag. And in order to select an emoji, go up to your menu, click on Edit and Emoji and Symbols. Choose that, and that will give you a choice of different flags. Now, it disappeared. Where's it gone? Let's do that again. Okay, so click on the flag and choose any flag. You could choose any flag you want. We could choose that one, for example. This is only just to illustrate where the flag is going to appear on your page. Take out the text, because we don't want any text to appear. And let's see what we have here. Click anywhere on your page, and you could see that the flag has appeared here in the middle of your button. Now that's a very small flag. We want a large flag. And emojis can be resized just like text. So we're going to resize the flag and make it much larger. So if you go back to your inspector, so that's again the attributes inspector is right up there, we're going to change the size of the button by clicking on that icon, and then let's make it very big. Let's make it, change it to 220, and you could see that now fills the button almost completely. That's a nice big flag for us, so that we're happy with that. Okay, so we have our title at the top and the flag in the middle. Now we need two buttons that will represent the two options, the two countries. So we don't need our flags anymore. You can close that. So again, we're going to insert an object. Again, go back up to your library, which is up here. You've got these options again, the same options. We're going to put in two buttons this time. So let's put in one button. Okay, now we need to make the button, give the button a different color. So you go back to the attributes inspector on the right. That's what controls the colors of your button, and will change the text to maybe white, and we'll change the background to dark blue. Now the word is a bit small, so we want it a bit larger. So go back up to the size. We want it to be nice and heavy set, and we'll change the size, make it bigger. Let's say 36. Now we have a nice big text in our button. Now we want the button to be a bit wider, so you could make it so that the different countries could fit, and the text maybe to be a bit smaller. So let's change the text. Let's make it down to 32. And we want the button to be a bit wider. Yeah. Okay. So we're happy with that now. Now we want a second button. So just to make it easier, we're just going to copy this button. So click on it to select it, then press copy or Control C, and paste or Control V. Sorry, that was Command V, did that for me now. So that copies the button, and now we've got two buttons which are exactly identical. Now for the third bit of the tutorial, we'll continue, and this time we'll put a picture down here that says whether you clicked on the right button or not. So that's the end of the second part of the tutorial.